better call Bill. Ooh, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got my kombucha with me, or kombucha, whatever you want to say. It's so good and it's good for your digestive system. This is my first voiceover, so y'all stay with me with this. So I'm going in with my primer. This is from Black Radiance. It's really good. It reminds me of the slick one from Smashbox, the Smashbox one. And now I'm going in with my powder, because Jackie, she always says her face before she does her makeup, so why can't I do it if Jackie can do it? So I'm doing it as well. I'm just getting the base really nice and ready for the foundation. And so I'm dusting that off with just some random brush, y'all. Yeah, none special. And now I'm moving in with the Julia's Place foundation. This is my holy grail. She's full coverage. A little bit goes a long way. And it was real cheap. I think I got it for like $20, maybe even less from Ulta because it was on sale. And I gotta give props to Brittany Paul for the Sonia Kushek sponge. This thing will mop up your whole face in seconds. And you have to have it wet all the way. Like, I used to just spray with a little spray bottle, but I don't do it. You gotta douse it under the sink and let it get big, and that thing will blend out your whole face, and it gives like a nice smooth finish. Everything is so blended without even a lot of work. Like, just look at me. Like, it's coming together, and like the foundation is like, it's like perfect. Like, it's everything. And if you know me already, I do my whole spiel every time about my discoloration. I always do my face darker to match my neck, and then I'll do my concealer later to match my chest and everything else. So you'll see. So now I'm going in with the Morphe concealer. She's very dry, and I have oily combination skin, so it works good for me. But you gotta work fast, because as soon as she goes on, she's gonna get stuck like chalk. So I'm putting it on, and I'm gonna use the same Sonia Kushek sponge, and I'm gonna go in and blend that bit out. And that's with the little sprayer I use. Once it's already doused and it's a little dry, I go back and spray it some more. Make sure it's nice and moist so you can still get the same blendability, if that's even a word, for the concealer as well. And you'll see her start to shine in a second. Come on, now that's what I call the Holy Trinity right there. Move your hand, child, right there. When all that, the forehead, then the underneath the nose and the chin, when it's all just like popping brightness, that's everything for me. So I'm gonna finish out doing the cheeks, my first layer, or under eye. And it wasn't enough for me, it wasn't popping enough, so I'm going in with some Tarte Shape Tape. It's not exactly my color, but mixing it with the Morphe, it's gonna look good. Just wait and see after she blends out. Oh, wow. Yes. See how she matching the skin? Come through. And I'm going to throw on a little brow. I mainly just want to do the points, the edges, make sure they're nice and pointy. And get those even together with each other on the other side. Yes, something like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go in and fill in type of the body of the brow so it doesn't look too odd. Try and get them looking a little bit more even. I don't want to do too much though, but we're going to see how they turn out. It give you kind of a semi-natural, but also like I just freshly did it brow. And I couldn't see well enough, so I had to go and get my Fenty Beauty mirror. Yes. Even as it's gonna get, so I just put it to the side because I ain't doing no more brows. Girl, move on. Next case. Next, I'm looking for, I think it's my blush. I wanted to use the Black Radiance one. It's like a berry, but I couldn't find it. So I ended up using the Tarte. I don't know what she is, but she for white folk, y'all. But I made it work. It's very pink, and it look a little dusty. It is a little dusty, but it gives a little shimmer to the face. And once I spray my face, it'll all come together. But just stay tuned. Now I'm going in with my contour. This is the Black Radiance, their contour palette in dark to deep. It's my only thing that I'll use. well, not the only thing, but the best thing I like to use for my face. And I'm just digging in there because it's cracked from my last flight to Florida, so it's like falling everywhere, and I was having a hard time, but I was still gonna use it, so period. I'm trying to cut that cheek, give it that darkness. I didn't want to use too much because it's almost out, and I'm not doing a full face, so I was just doing mostly skin today. So I just wanted to show you girls a little this, a little that. Come on now, blend it out, okay? Don't pull out. Oop. I spray my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter. Been using since day one, and blend my face out one more time to get it looking nice and thorough. The brows look okay. The brows came together at the last second, the last lap. And I'm living. Like, it's not a full beat. This could be an everyday look. Just nice skin. Oh, and I forgot. A little bit of highlight. Just put it on the high cheeks and my cheekbone. Because I used to put it, like, all along my side of my face. And that just don't look cute. So just a little pop right there on the side. A little bam, poo poom, pow pow. That's really what we need. That's all we need. Yes, ma'am. Getting to the gig. Yes. Okay. Work. I had to get my fan to get the rest of the spray to settle down. And reveal. Pool. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Hope you guys like this look. Get into the skin. And I will see y'all later. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. Oh, look at my hands, they nasty. Bye, y'all.